Turning cloudy, wet and windy across the UK today with a band of heavy rain. The outlook unsettled as we head through the weekend. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Friday,
Good morning to you. This says it all for the weather today, as will Katie Rickett's face later on in the news report. But weather-wise, it is turning wet and windy across the UK today, thanks to this area of low pressure, isobars close together. Today in the southwest, tomorrow in the southeast, we have strong gusty winds. More on that in a moment. And then it's basically unsettled with showers all weekend long. Here's how it looks for today. We have that band of rain moving in, then the winds pick up and disappointingly cool as a result. If it is dry where you are this morning, it is sure not to last for many areas. So make sure you leave the house with a raincoat and an umbrella because you will need it. So through the day today, a heavy band of rain moves in, but it's the winds that keep featuring the south and west. A yellow weather warning for gusts of wind up to 50 miles an hour today. The rain doesn't quite make it to the north of Scotland, but here there's a few showers. And temperature-wise, you can see here around about 22 degrees, our top temperature, but adding in the wind and the rain, it will feel cooler than that. As we head through this evening and overnight tonight, the whole band of rain moves its way northwards. Its sights set on Scotland, and then the low pressure associated with it spins to the southwest. And the focus for the strongest winds by tomorrow morning across the southeast, where we could be seeing gusts up to 55 miles an hour through tomorrow. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, let's take a look at our outlook. So for Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, first of all, we're just looking at our trend in temperature compared to where it should be for the time of year. And it's actually sitting around about average. That's thanks to these blustery winds moving in. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. How likely are we to see wet weather as we head through the next 7 days? Well, hit and miss with the showers and then rain later on today, but very wet with blustery heavy showers all weekend long. Hint that things turn a bit drier by the middle to end of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales through the next 7 days. Well, we have been pretty warm, but temperatures are now average, maybe even below for some of us as we head through the next 7 days. But percentage chance of rainfall, we have a band of heavy rain today. It's heavy, frequent showers. Tomorrow we have the strong winds across the southeast. Sunday the showers ease, so a better chance of seeing some sunshine. But into next week, looks like high pressure starts to move into the south, pushing away some of the rain, so the outlook in the south turns drier. Good morning to you. The weekend is nearly upon us and the weather is looking pretty unsettled. Today, we have rain and then we have sunshine and showers this weekend. But here's how it looks first thing this morning. Overcast skies for many of us, rain in the southwest. This rain is heavy and it marches across most of the UK as we head through the day. So outbreaks of rain across the southeast of England. They turn heavier as we head through this morning. And this whole band of rain moves its way to northern England, Northern Ireland. Scotland is more sunny spells and some scattered showers, but you can see from the yellows and greens where the heaviest rain is set to be for the southwest, but not just wet, windy. A warning from the Met Office for gusts of wind up to 50 miles an hour through southwestern parts of England and Wales, which is very windy for the time of year and disappointing, particularly if you have some outdoor plans, if you are on your holidays already heading to the coast. This evening and overnight tonight, the whole band of rain moves north, so tonight it has its sights set on Scotland. The rest of England and Wales, a windy night to come, heavy showers in the west, and temperature-wise, they're holding up between around about 14 or 15 degrees. Tomorrow, it may well be dry to start, but then low pressure sits to our west, and around that spirals these heavy showers, blustery showers, hail and thunder. Certainly a possibility. And through southeastern areas, that is where we have our weather warning for tomorrow. The winds gusting up to 55 miles an hour in the southeast, so that is unseasonably windy for the time of year. And this wet scene is not good news because tomorrow is St Swithin's Day, and legend has it that if it rains tomorrow, it will rain for the next 40 days. So the poem is St Swithin's Day, if it does rain for 40 days, it will remain. St Swithin's Day, if it is fair for 40 days, 'twill rain nay mair. And it's because St Swithin asked to be buried, who was the Bishop of Winchester Cathedral, asked to be buried outside in the elements because he loved the rain. He was moved inside on the 15th of July, 971, and on that day there's a ferocious storm, and legend has it that it rained for the next 40 days. Is it true? Is it going to happen? In the history of Met Office records, it's never actually happened, so despite tomorrow being wet, it looks like the outlook won't be raining for the next 40 days. And what is the outlook for next week? Well, at the moment it is sunshine and showers, staying cool.